Entering donations in QuickBooks for a nonprofit organization is essential for tracking contributions and generating accurate reports. Here's how to record donations. Log into QuickBooks. Open your QuickBooks account and log in. Create a sales receipt. Go to the plus new button in the left-hand menu. Under the Customer section, select Sales Receipt. This is ideal for recording donations that you receive immediately. Select the donor. In the Customer field, enter the donor's name. If the donor is not already listed, click plus Add New to create a new donor profile. Choose the donation account. In the Product or Service column, select the donation item. Ensure you have a donation or contributions item set up in your chart of accounts under Income. If not, you can create it by selecting plus Add New. Enter donation details. Enter the amount of the donation in the Amount column and provide a description if needed. Choose the payment method and verify the transaction date. Save the receipt. Once all details are filled in, click Save and Close or Save and New.